Standing in good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown to the sky. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. So we'll shake through the joints, starting with that left wrist and up to the elbow and all the way to the shoulder. Now onto the right wrist, the elbow and the shoulder and both arms. And into the left ankle, the knee and the hip. And to the right ankle, the knee and the hip. Then bring feet hip width apart, inhale up, exhale sweep down, inhale back up, exhale down, inhale up. Keep those knees tracking in line with the toes, don't let them drop inwards. So using the thigh muscles. And bring the arms down. So we just roll the shoulders back. And forwards. So taking the legs nice and wide, toes facing forwards, arms out shoulder level. We'll inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale to center, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, and bring the arms down. So standing pose, we're going to balance pose first, tree pose. So wherever you're at, so either to the ankle, to the calf, or up to that inner thigh, have the knee pointing out, shoulders above the hips, belly button squeezed in, finding that focus point. So we're just doing one each side. So take your time coming into the pose and gradually working up to wherever you can. Trying to keep the palms pressed together and work on straightening the arms, fingertips to the sky, and work on relaxing the shoulders. Try and steady the breathing. Down, and we'll do the other side. So again, just wherever you're at. So you might be able to take the foot higher on one side than the other. So just give it a go. And if it doesn't work, you can always try the easier option. We have the arms out to balance to start with, and gradually working up. Palms together. Bringing the arms up, trying to straighten the arms, gradually relaxing the shoulders. Remember to keep that belly button squeezed in. Keep staring at the focus point. Try and relax the breathing. And bring the arms down, and we'll come to a standing pose. We're doing high lunge. So So left foot forward, right foot back, bending that left knee, and then right heel is up. So hips and shoulders facing forwards. We'll start with the hands to the chest, and then bring the arms out shoulder level. We're going to twist 3 times to the same side. So inhale, and exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, back to center, and bring the arms down. So if that front knee feels okay, bring the back leg forward. We'll do the other side. So keeping the feet with the hip distance between them, shoulders, hips facing forwards, arms shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, back. Exhale, twist. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, back. And again, just sweeping that back leg forward if it all feels okay. So we're finishing with the good posture and the breathing. We're placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Trying to feel the heartbeat with the upper hand. Bringing the arms down, and we're all done.